Hello, welcome to Gene Computer Repair 799 Rogers, Brooklyn, New York. The zip code is 11226. The phone number is 718-880-9617. So, thanks God for everything, for the blessing. He always bless me. Well, God always cover me. Okay, I want to talk about this computer. This computer, the customer said he got some problem. I mean, just like it's getting too hot when the customer using it. So, and he also said he dropped it. The trackpad is lift a little bit. So before, when I saw the computer, I thought just like, okay, that's a battery issue. That's cause the trackpad go up, right? I'm so glad the customer shared this kind of information with me. All right, so right now I'm about to open the back of the computer to see what could be the problem. To check it, I don't really charge the customer to check it. It's free to check, right? But to fix the device, that's the time I will charge the customer. All right, so I got my screwdriver, so I'm just remove all the screws that's on the back of it. All right, so after that, all right, I'm doing it. Okay, all right, so almost there. I think this one, that's the last one. Okay, after that I'm done with that. All right, now I have to use something on my finger. I'm gonna check if I could lift it up, or maybe I have to use some tools to remove this thing. Anything, as long as I could remove it, and that's what would matter. All right, I'm getting ready. Okay, now I'm about to remove the back cover. Okay, so I put this small sticker to cover the customer information. Okay, well, if you look at the fan, it's very dusty, pick up dust. That's something normal, you know, when you use a computer, after a certain time it will pick up dust. First thing, I unplug the battery, and before I do whatever I'm gonna do on the board, so just to make sure. All right, I feel more comfortable like that to put it that way. All right, so I have to remove this screw to remove the battery, because the trackpad is under the battery. So after, when I remove the battery, okay, I'm getting there. Okay, now I remove the battery from the device. All right, you see over here, that's the problem. Something is damaged in there, so I have to rebuild it, right? So this is not my first time doing this, because there's a lot of customers who have this kind of issue with the device. So that's something that I know. All right, so I'm gonna call the customer about the price to let the customer know how much, and if the customer okay with my price, So I will do it. Let me call now. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. The customer okay with the price. All right, so now this is my turn to do it. This is a hard drive. I have to backup data for a customer. So okay, so I'm trying to check for the dust. All right. So I'm trying to fix okay, I'm gonna try to fix the trackpad. Okay, okay, I'm trying. Okay. I'm getting it. I have to put this away. Alright, I think it should be good. Alright, I'll be back. Now I'm back. Alright, so I have to put a sticker to cover the customer information. Alright. Alright. Okay. So I'm kind of done. I'm gonna call the customer to pick up. All right. Thanks for watching.